Yep, we're recording. Cool.
Okay.
Do you want to wear it on your head or no?
No.
Alright, we'll just walk on the beach.
Okay.
You and me.
No. This is our second video.
Yeah, walking on the beach.
Okay.
What's that, Sean?
Remember the first one where we threw that hairy monster up in the air?
Yeah, I have it in my pocket.
Yeah. We're gonna throw him at the end of the video today.
Alright. Wow, that water is pretty choppy today. Sean, can you see that sailboat out there?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Can you throw that shell out in the water? Let's see how far it goes. Woo! Oh, it broke.
Yep. Not very far, huh?
Not very far, you're right.
There's like a frisbee, but not quite. It was spinning. Like a frisbee, but broke.
Yeah.
Let's not go in the water.
Yeah, probably not. You touch the water, see if it's cold?
No.
Well, your sandals will dry quick. Alright, maybe I'll do it with you.
You do it.
Cameraman?
That's what I call you, cameraman.
Alright. Oh, there's a seagull. Look at him flying. What is it then?
Looks like a raptor to me.
A raptor?
No, that's not a raptor.
Are you Sean Kratt?
Maybe
You Sean Cole Branson.
if you heard Martin and Chris.
Martin and Chris from Wild Kratts
Yeah.
on PBS. Alright, come on. Uh-huh. Do you see any dolphins out there?
No.
No? Alright, let's go after this seagull.
Yeah, I don't think that's a seagull. I said a seagull.
A ski-gull?
Yeah.
There any cool seashells?
Huh. Let's go find one.
Look at that little bug. That one. You think he's a beetle? Yeah, I don't know.
If you are an animal fan, an animal lover, subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe. Alright, we'll try to do some animals. Is that a crab?
It's a dead one.
Oh, yeah, he's dead. He's rolling around.
He's dead. The wind's blowing it. And maybe a bird there. We are going to do all sorts of kinds of videos.
Yep, all kinds of videos. We'll do nature videos and toy videos.
We're doing a video are we doing right now? It's in adventure or a toy?
We don't have any toys, so it'll probably just be a nature video.
Well, it's pretty much a toy video because we're
Whoa! Oh, the water's not that cold. Huh?
have that monster at the end, remember that?
Yeah.
Did you guys love the last one? That one is just cool.
They probably did.
Yeah, probably is. It's probably super cool.
How about we end this video with a thumbs up right here, okay?
Yeah.
Let me take this off. Turn it around. Alright, get over here. Thumbs up.
No, we didn't do that.
Well, we gotta end this one. It's getting a little long.
Okay.
So we'll do a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Alright. watching.
Yeah.